All right. This is the day after. The scallops have had some time to mature. And already when I picked them up in my walk-in cooler, I was smelling that beautiful smokiness. And you can smell it right now. I wish you guys could smell it because this is amazing. I know a lot of chefs say that about their food, but this is truly amazing. So, I'm going to show you a little dish made from the smoked scallops. You take one, you take an empty scallop shell, which you can wash and keep. So once you've used them, please don't throw them away. You can wash and keep them. Usually the scallop has a flat side and a deep side. The deep side is the one you want. So what we're going to do is, we have our orange and saffron beurre blanc. The link is here. And we also have our pomegranate vinaigrette. Link is here. So check those out. Because now we're going to make a dish with 3 of the recipes from this channel. First of all, we put that beautiful beurre blanc in the bottom. It's a nice richness. And we're going to put our pomegranates in there. Look at that. Already starting to look like $1,000,000. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to cut our scallop in some small chunks so that you can get some of that taste there. About 6 of them. And we're going to put them around. Drape them nicely around in this mixture. They're nice and fluffy, still very, very much soft. And that's what we want from our scallops. We don't want them to be rubbery. As I told you earlier, your fight when you're cooking scallops is to constantly stop them from getting rubbery.
Eat my rubber.
And tasteless. So, when you got that, you could use a little bit of dill as well, some dill sprigs, to just give it a little accent. Take your time. Enjoy the process. I call this style of plating orderly messy. And I guess you can tell why. You're trying to paint a pretty picture so that when somebody has the good fortune of tasting your amazing food, they say, oh my God, how beautiful is that and how good is that? That's what you want them to say. So, there you go. You can use a couple of pomegranates just to highlight the pomegranates in the mixture. It's going to give a nice crunch. It is a nice contraposition to the smooth, silky smoked scallops and the smooth, silky texture of your beurre blanc. Here you go. Look at that. I bet that if you serve this to your guests, they're going to love you for life.
You love me. You really love me.
Thanks for following me in this episode of Ian's Kitchen. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.
Hello everybody! Thank you for following our series. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our videos and press that alert button so you get our notifications.